Okay, here is review problem 2. Cassidy baked cupcakes in 2.5 batches to share with the class. However, on her way into the room, clumsy Mr. Lambert bumped into her, and she dropped 5/6 of a batch of cupcakes on the ground, and they got too dirty to eat. How many batches are left? All right, well, first I do my tape diagram. So there's the hole, and the hole was 2.5. Some weird bald guy came and crashed 5/6 of a batch, and then what's left? So that's the question mark. Ooh, nice. Today we have a nice straightforward equation. Love it. We have 2.5 minus 5/6. Okay, so the trick here, and really the only thing we have to do that's weird, is we have to turn this 2.5 into an improper fraction to make it easier. Okay, so if I have 2 wholes, again, how many halves do I have? I have 4 halves. If I have a half, then I have 5 halves, and I can draw that for you quickly. So look, I'm going to draw a 2.5. 2.5, right? So that's 1 half, 2 halves, 3 halves, 4 halves, 5 halves. Right. So really our problem is 5 halves minus 5/6. Okay. Now, to make these denominators equal, you have a choice. You can multiply them by each other, do one fraction by 6, the other by 2, and that's totally fine. Or you can multiply just this 2 to make 6. And what could you multiply 2 by to make 6? 2, 4, 6, 3. You could multiply just this fraction by 3 and make it 6. That's the way of less work, but I'll do the other way because I feel like you're more accustomed to it. So I'll multiply this by 6, this by 2, okay? And I'm going to get 30/12 minus 10/12 equals 20/12. But I have to convert that into a mixed number. So 20/12 equals, well, how many holes can I have? 12 parts makes 1 hole. So I have 12. 2 holes would be 24. I don't have 2. I have 1. So I have 1 hole, and then from what's 20 minus 12? 8. So I have 1 and 8/12. And I'd accept the answer like that. So really, the only tricky thing on a problem like this is that when you have a mixed number and you want to subtract, it's a lot easier to turn that into an improper fraction, to turn 2.5 into 5 halves. Okay? Thank you for following along for problem 2.